Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your iPhone 12 Pro Max, let's go for the settings. Next, move to the sound and the haptics. And at the upper section, you get two vibration options, on ring and on silent. So we can turn off and turn on by tapping on the switchers. And when you scroll down, we can adjust vibration for a very sound that incoming. So for send mail, new mail, voicemail, airdrop, or the ringtone. So for example, let's change the vibration for a ringtone, and we can change, of course, the pattern of a ringtone. So we can take this one and just go back simply, and of course you can do the same, for example, for the calendar alerts. So you can go for the heartbeat, and also we can turn off system haptics by clicking right here. And that's how we can adjust these options in your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!